Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to explain serialization. What is serialization? In Java, the process of converting object into a stream of bytes. So it is a mechanism. It is used to convert object into stream. So in this way we can store the object in byte stream and also saved in a file format. We can save in a file format and also transmit over a networks. And the reverse process called a deserialization, vice versa, to converting byte stream to object. So it can be recreate an object from the byte stream. Using byte stream we can create an object, that previous object. So it is used to in three ways: save the state of the object in that can be restored later. Once we can store and restore that in later, and transmit object into between different applications, and store object in a database. We can store it also. I will explain with the example. I will going to explain it. Serialization is a interface. So implements serialization, serializable. Okay, serializable. In this way we have to, it is object, right? So we have to use fields for object. So in this way I'm going to give field for public int id and public string name. I have to give constructors for this to initialize fields. So in this way I'm going to use constructor and have to use getter setters, otherwise it will print address. So in this way, no, to set and get the data, and I have to implement override to string. So in this way I can directly print. Okay, so this all I set up the serializable example, and I override the interface implements keyword using. So in this way I have to give main method, so out we have to convert object into stream of bytes. So in this way we have to initialize the fields. So using serializable class name, well, example is equal to, I'm creating a class that in this way we have to initialize using constructor. We have to initialize. I use my name Siddharth. Okay, I will go. So we have to, for serialization we have to take files, file output stream. S file file I use mistake, file output stream using f file output s. Okay, and is equal to file output stream. So in this way we have to create new file using output stream. In this way we gonna name it our convention, like I will go to name my object .ser serialization extension. We have to use it. Okay, using this the error is coming to, it will throw a exception, file not found exception. To I will add it throws, using throw keyword I will add it to main method here. Okay, using file output stream, using file output stream you have to get object output stream. Okay, output stream, and here we go is equal to, we have to create new object output stream. Okay, in this constructor we have to pass that file output stream. Okay, it will throw an exception, so I will add it to using object output stream. I will write byte using write object output stream. So in this way I'm going to write. Okay, there is something. Where is my object? Serializable example. I have to pass here inside object copy. Okay, okay. I print it. So I have to read. I did serialization, so I have to do it deserialization to read the data. So in this way I'm going to deserialized file input stream. File input stream is equal to new input stream. We have to provide that file name. So in this way I'm going to my object serialization. I will provide that one, and I have to take object input stream is equal to new object input stream file input stream. So in this way, using input stream dot read object read object, I have to pause. In this way I'm going to read it. It returns the output, so it will throw an exception. I will add it in a method level. I have to assign it. It will return the type of the object we return in class level. So it return like this object. We have to typecast, otherwise it will return object level. So this is the object I am right here, so that's why I have to typecast it. So in this way I'm going to read it. So object dot get id id, this for id. So for understanding level, and name object dot get name. In this way we are gonna achieve serialization and deserialization. In here, see guys, the id is 1 and name is 1, so I'm reading from deserialization my object file. So in this way I read it. It's successfully working. I hope you guys understand. To read the file is where it is located, right? So you're gonna add confusion. I have to check that file, right? So using file object file, my file is equal to new file file. So okay, pass this in that. So in this way we're gonna get that file address where it is located. so syso file, my file. I will run this. Let me guys check. See guys, the file object is, it will showing that file name. So I will dot get absolute path. In this way we're gonna get that absolute path. Let me run it again. See guys, it is storing YouTube basics object.series in where we can go in there, check it. Okay guys, this is for all. Thank you for watching this guys. Bye.